Hello everyone. So in the previous part we discussed about the temperature. Okay, and this is the chapter solar radiation, heat balance and atmosphere. So students, in that previous part we studied all about the factors controlling temperature distribution, and we discuss about the latitude of the place, altitude, distance from the sea, the air masses circulations, and the presence of warm and cold oceans currents, local aspects. So these all affects in our temperature. Due to this, we can see changes in our season, changes in temperature, changes in climate. These all happens according to this changes. So now we will talk about the inversion of temperature. So in inversion of temperature, students, the rules of temperature are normally. We have learned that temperature decreases while in increasing elevation. It is called normal lapse rate. Okay, so a normal lapse rate, according to this, at times at the situation in river and the normal lapse rate in inverted, and this is called inversion of temperature. Okay, and inversion is usually of short duration but quite common along winter night with clear sky. Still air is an ideal situation for inversion. The heat, okay, and we can see changes in heat of a day is radiated off during the night, and by the early morning the earth is cooler than the air above over the pole area temperature. Now here temperature inversion is normally throughout of the year, right? Surface invention promote stability in the lower layer in the atmosphere. The smoke and dust particle get collected beneath the inversion layer and spread horizontally to fill the lower strata, that is the lower layer of the atmosphere. Now you can see in winter season mostly you can see the dense fogs. Okay, dense fogs in the early morning during the winter season. So this inversion commonly lasts for few hours. कब तक? Until the sun comes up and beings to warm the earth. ओके, जैसे जैसे सन की रेज हमारे अर्थ पे पड़ती जाती है उन एरिया पे, स्पेशली यू कैन सी लाइक नियर द रिवर एरियाज. Okay, so most of the foggy areas you can see foggy scenes you can see in winter season in the early morning. So inversion takes place in the hills and mountains with the steep slope due to air drainage. Cold air at the hill and mountain produced during night flows during flows under the influence of gravity. Okay, so this type of changes, this is called inversion of temperature. So changes we can see, especially students, now the winter season is started, and you can see this type of views mostly you can see in this season, right? So here the inversion, this is called air drainage. Air drainage means the drainage near the river side in the hilly areas, and then down to the slope areas you can see foggy views, right? So this was the inversion of temperature. And here in the box you can see, students, Planck's law states that hotter a body, the more energy it will radiate and shorter the wavelength of that radiation. So specific heat is energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substances by 1 Celsius. So this is the fact, students. Okay, so a fox mostly removes, okay, convert into the vapor after the temperature raise. Okay, after when temperature increase, according to this the fogs also remove from that area. Okay, it convert into water vapor. Okay, now next we have students some multiple choice questions. So you have to do this multiple choice question in your fair notebook. So in the next video we'll discuss some questions also. Till then, thank you so much students.